Make room for Javi.
Found it. Let's go ahead and take care of the office outlets. We'll start with the first one. First, I want to make sure that I don't have any power here before I start wiring outlets. And then what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to start wiring them up either way from the end. That way, whether I have power here or not, none of those will affect me. So let's start with these. I happen to have 10 or 20 USB outlets. The outlets with a regular USB-A and a USB-C. Might as well use them, right? I've got plenty of outlets left over from the house, and this is the perfect place for them. In order to be fully by code and compliant in every way possible, these are 20 amp UL listed tamper proof. So here's our little outlet. As these are square drive or flat, I'm going ahead and use the square drive. Simple matter of connecting the ground, the neutral, and of course the line. One outlet connected. Now this one, unfortunately, I have 3 cables. One from the line in, line out over here, and line out over here. So I'll simply connect them all to wire nuts and to Wago connectors. I'm going to make some pigtails now for one of my outlets, and that'll be that. Hey, I brought my lineman's pliers instead of my strippers. No, I didn't. Ta-da! I love this tool. This one goes on after the drywall, or I won't be able to put the drywall in properly. Problem when I have 2 grounds is now I need a pigtail. You don't have many left. 2 more left on the bottom. Last but not least, the main power. Make sure it's off at the breaker, and let's connect it. We have officially wired all of the outlets. I'm going to turn on the breakers, and I'm going to test it with a tester. If everything goes well, it should be green. Oh, it is green. I can't see it from that other angle. Okay, so one of these, let me shut it off one by one. Okay, this is 124 volts, correct. Next one, 125, correct. 124, correct. 124, correct. 124, correct. 124, correct. Okay, the refrigerator, I need to know which one that one is, so give me a sec. This is the refrigerator. I tested all the other outlets. They're all on one circuit. This is on a different circuit. These I haven't connected yet, the benchtop ones. So when I do the outside, I'll connect them, but they're wired in. This is correct. It's powered. The rest of them are powered. We're wired. I'm a happy clam. Tomorrow what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the cables, since I still have this open, run the CCTV cables all the way to here. There's going to be an opening here because I have some stuff going through the outside. So my CCTV cables coming from that way and from that way are going to be running into here, so I could eventually connect my hardwired cameras. I also have a bunch of Wi-Fi cameras and some internet-based cameras. So obviously I don't have to do anything with those. But the wired cameras, I like to use them as windows. So I'll put 2 or 3 monitors, and I get to choose which window, which view, whether it's the view of the front, the view of the lake, the view of my family in the backyard, whatever the case may be. But I'm done for the day. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you tomorrow.
Make room for Javi.